Ever feel like you're doing everything right for your retirement? Cutting expenses, investing in something safe like SCHD, and still, your portfolio barely moves? It's frustrating. SCHD yields just under 4%. Solid, sure, but it won't get you to financial freedom anytime soon. Here's the twist. There are 3 closed-end funds paying 8% to 11% in monthly dividends. Yes, monthly. And today, I'm revealing all 3 and how they could supercharge your passive income. In this video, we're breaking down why closed-end funds, or CEFs, could be the key to accelerating your passive income. We've analyzed over 500 funds and narrowed it down to the top 3 paying 8% to 11% monthly. You'll learn their strategy, what they hold, and the risks you need to watch out for. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use these CEFs to boost your portfolio's income starting today. Let's dive in. Before we dive into the picks, let's rewind. What exactly is a CEF, and why should income investors care? Closed-end funds are a special type of investment that trades like a stock. But unlike ETFs, they're actively managed and often pay much higher yields. Here's the difference. CEFs raise a fixed amount of capital up front and then trade on the open market, often at a discount to their true value. And that discount? That's your opportunity. So why now? Because the market is expensive. The S&P 500 is yielding less than 1.2%. And let's be honest, if you're retired or semi-retired, that just won't cut it, unless you've got a 7-figure portfolio. Sure, total return matters for long-term growth, but for many investors like retirees, income now is the priority. We've talked before about how a 7% yield can cover basic living expenses on a $500,000 portfolio, around $2,900 a month in passive income. But what if you don't have $500,000? That's where CEFs come in. These funds often yield 8% to 10% or more, and when used right, they can seriously boost your monthly income, even if you're starting with a smaller nest egg. And instead of making you scroll through a list of 500 CEFs, we've done the digging, running the numbers, scoring quality, and narrowed it down to the top 3 CEFs to buy now. Starting with NIE. First up is NIE, the Virtus Equity and Convertible Income Fund. This one's a hidden gem. It doesn't make headlines, but quietly delivers powerful income without the stomach-churning swings. NIE is what's called a hybrid closed-end fund. It holds about 60% in equities, 30% in convertible securities, and the rest in bonds and cash. Sounds simple, but here's the magic. Convertible securities can act like a safety net. They protect on the downside, but still capture upside when markets run. That makes NIE a smoother ride, especially compared to funds that go all in on stocks. This lower volatility is a big win for retirees, or anyone looking for monthly income without the roller coaster. So what's inside? You've probably heard of these: Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Visa, Alphabet. These are top-tier mega-cap companies, and while that does add some tech sector exposure, NIE doesn't move like a pure tech fund. Thanks to the convertibles, it's more balanced. Think offense with a built-in defense. Another big point? NIE doesn't use leverage. That's rare in the CEF space, and a good thing when interest rates are high. You don't get the turbocharged returns of leveraged funds, but you also avoid the risk of magnified losses. It's a smart, steady approach. Let's talk numbers. NIE currently yields 8.35%, and it trades at a 9.7% discount to NAV, meaning you're buying $1 of assets for about 90 cents. And this isn't a high yield but no growth fund. Over the last 3, 5, and 10 years, NIE has delivered annualized NAV returns of 15.2%, 11.4%, and 12.2%. The expense ratio is 1.07%, which is reasonable for active management and built-in diversification. Bottom line, NIE gives you high income, strong long-term returns, and lower volatility, all in one package. If you're serious about building passive income without losing sleep, this fund deserves a top spot on your list. So that was NIE, a stable, balanced fund that pays well without the roller coaster. But what if you're looking for something a little bolder? A fund with a ridiculously low expense ratio, a massive history of payouts, and still offering yields over 8%. Let's talk about ADX. Next up, ADX, the Adams Diversified Equity Fund. And get this, it's been around since 1929. That's not a typo. This fund has survived the Great Depression, multiple wars, crashes, bubbles, and everything in between, and it's still paying monthly income today. So what's inside ADX? It holds many of the same giants you'd find in the S&P 500: Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, JP Morgan, Meta, Visa, and more. If you're bullish on US innovation, ADX gives you broad exposure plus income. Its strategy is refreshingly simple. Invest in a diversified portfolio of large-cap US stocks, stay sector neutral, avoid leverage, and keep costs ultra-low. Speaking of low costs, ADX charges an expense ratio of just 0.56%. That's less than half what most CEFs charge. And it doesn't borrow to boost returns, meaning less risk in a volatile, high-rate environment. Now, let's talk income. ADX has a clear, consistent policy to pay out 2% per quarter or 8% annually, based on average NAV. That's not just a target, it's a commitment. Combine that with a 7.82% discount to NAV, and you're getting a reliable dividend stream at a markdown. And this isn't just about yield. ADX has delivered real growth too. Annualized returns of 19.3% over 3 years, 15.9% over 5 years, 15.1% over 10 years. Now, of course, there are risks. ADX earns a big chunk of its income from capital gains on long-term holdings. So, if the broader market slumps, ADX will feel it. But after nearly a century of payouts, this fund has proven its durability. Bottom line, ADX is a no-fuss, high-conviction income generator, perfect as a core holding for retirees or anyone building a reliable passive income stream. But if you're looking for pure income firepower, the next fund may just be your favorite, and the strategy it uses? It's a total curveball. KIO. Last but not least, KIO, the KKR Income Opportunities Fund. This fund is built for one thing: monthly cash flow, and it delivers that loud and clear. KIO focuses on leveraged loans and high-yield corporate bonds, debt from companies that aren't investment grade but pay big to borrow. Risky? Yes. But behind the wheel is KKR, one of the most respected global names in credit investing. If anyone knows how to manage risk in this space, it's them. So what's inside? A blend of floating-rate senior loans and high-yield fixed-rate bonds, spread across sectors like energy, healthcare, telecom, and industrials. The floating-rate loans help protect against rising interest rates, while the fixed bonds lock in juicy yields. Together, it's a well-diversified high-income machine, and the payoff? KIO is currently yielding a massive 11.5% paid monthly. For anyone trying to replace a paycheck in retirement, that number is hard to ignore. In terms of performance, KIO has delivered 9% to 10% average annual returns over the long term. That's outstanding for a fixed income fund. But let's talk risk. KIO uses over 30% leverage, which boosts returns and downside exposure. And since many of its holdings are below investment grade, there's default risk if the economy takes a hit. That said, this is KKR's specialty. Credit risk management is what they do, and they've proven they can do it well. The expense ratio comes in at 2.24%, which is high, but you're paying for hands-on expertise in a complex asset class. KIO currently trades at a 1.86% discount to NAV, right near its long-term average, meaning you're not overpaying to get access. Bottom line, KIO brings the highest yield on this list, and it's ideal for investors who want to supercharge monthly income fast. And speaking of firepower, Up next, we'll show you how to combine all three funds into a portfolio that turns even a modest nest egg into a serious monthly income engine. Let's wrap this up. Closed-end funds aren't magic. They carry more risk than your typical dividend stocks or bond ETFs, no doubt. But in return, they offer something rare: high yields, monthly income, and access to opportunities you won't find in traditional assets. That's why we don't go all in. Risk management matters. Our approach? The core and satellite strategy. Keep around 70% of your portfolio in safe long-term dividend ETFs like SCHD or FDVV. That's your foundation. Then allocate up to 30% as a satellite into high-yield CEFs to supercharge your income without blowing up your risk. And that's where our three picks come in. NIE, a hybrid fund with built-in stability. ADX, a large-cap dividend machine with a century-long track record. KIO, a fixed-income powerhouse yielding over 11%. Blend them equally, and your satellite portfolio yields an average of 9.28%. That's nearly 10% monthly income before even factoring in capital gains. But this isn't a one-size-fits-all. Want more stability? Lean toward NIE or ADX. Want more income? Dial up KIO. And if you're comfortable with more yield exposure, you can even increase the satellite allocation above 30%. Just make sure your core stays rock solid. That's it for today's picks. High income, monthly cash flow, and flexible strategies all in one. The real power here? Control. You're building income on your terms with quality funds, proven strategies, and monthly payouts you can actually count on. Drop a comment and let us know which fund made your watch list. Then tap the video on your screen to unlock more game-changing income strategies and take the next step toward financial freedom.